Yo, welcome back to another Data Series episode. Hope you guys have been enjoying these sessions. I think this is episode 3 now. So far, the whole data episode stuff is going pretty well. Backtesting wise. And yeah, let's just get started. So I've already done the news stuff, and we're on week 2 now. Oh, we're on Friday, and then we're gonna go to week 2 on this episode. So this should be, yeah, that's Thursday. That's the day before CPI, and this is CPI day. We've got this change in state. Actually, do that. And then that's basically it. Actually, we've got this change in state. I want to see this hold, but it looks like we're gonna run through it. This high up here. Doesn't look like we're gonna take any highs on the daily today. 4 hour, we've just continuously have bearish order flow. So we have inversion. We've got our CB, and now we're just dumping lower. We've got the swing low on NQ, SMT at the lows here. SMT at the lows, and yeah, so would I really be expecting that much of a one-sided push? Probably not. I'd probably expect both sides, since we do have that daily change. Weekly we have this weekly CB. So right now I'm probably looking for shorts. However, I could be wrong, because we're in discount and we're inside this daily change. So could be wrong. I could be wrong, but we just want to see how price holds up. We have this 4 hour BISI, so we could see a retracement, and in the same way, no. Not on ES. So yeah, I'd probably want to see a retracement to this big inefficiency. So which is where the 5-second model might play. Might be a valid 5-second model. But overall, I'm thinking we are probably bearish. I don't really want to go against that. So let's get started into the journaling. So daily, we are inside NQ's change in state. We could see a push from here, however unlikely due to lower time frames. Which we will see later. So that's the daily, the 4 hour. S&T on the lows. Strong bearish order flow. probably targeting the low that we have with the SMT. Inside the C, so we could see a reaction from here. And 1 hour, nothing much in the 1 hour. Not much on the 1 hour. Wanna see us just rebalance. Yeah, we could definitely do that. So we have this swing low, swing high and low. So I could see retracement to there, or we could just see retracement to equilibrium. Or retracement to this inefficiency, or retracement to equilibrium. So 15-minute, 15-minute, we have a large SIBI, preferably want to see that be tapped into. Maybe a 5-second model up to there. And so this would be a reversal model if we do get it. So we have this swing low. Now the problem might be with this entry here, if we do get the change, is that we just have too much follow through. So we might have too much follow through. I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's see. 2-minute kind of looks better, less wiki. Yeah, but we'll see. So let's go to 5-second. Actually, no. We'll just keep playing here. So we do get the change, and we also are pretty strong here. So I could probably enter this, honestly. I would not mind entering this. We're not coming off of any oh no, what's the word I'm looking for? We're not oh wait, this 2-minute model, 3-minute model looks even better, kind of. Yeah, 3-minute model looks better. But we'll settle for the 2, it's good enough. And targeting up there. Yes, probably gives better RR, but in the longer run we have the SMT put in here, so we're going to take it on ES, which is the stronger asset. So yeah, I'll take this. Try and loosen the R here. This is a pre-market, I mean not pre-market, this is a market open trade, so it's possible that we just Judas, this is the Judas, and we dump lower from here, but it doesn't make sense because, well, we've got that big inefficiency, and we've also got a lower time frame market maker buy here as well. So we're not rejecting off of anything, is what I'm trying to say. So we do actually end up getting that Judas. I should just like stop talking low key. But yeah, overall this was a good trade. Like the narrative was there. we had that 4-hour busy. Wanted to see that hold, but ended up obviously not holding, and we're coming into that Sibi. So let's mark this out. Taking this trade here, I wanted to see us rebalance to the inefficiency on the 15. Or EQ of the range, but we ended up forming the model but instantly getting stopped. Oh. And yeah. Also, this is CPI day. Forgot to mention that we have this still high up here, and they are high up here. Yes. So this still could be a re-entry, but I don't know, it just seems unlikely now. We could just take the draw. Okay. So we end up inversing that 4-hour busy. We come off this 15-minute Sibi, and we still also have this unfilled 1-hour Sibi here. So again, we could still see a retracement up to there. We're still holding that SMT as well. Probably putting in more of an SMT now. However, we're not really coming off anything apart from that daily, which is a bit too far for my liking. So right now I'd probably be looking for shorts to this low. However, move of the day kind of has already been not completed, but a lot of its momentum is already kind of there. And so we're coming into this 15-minute gap, perhaps a 15-second model up here. No. Maybe here? No. So let's just keep playing the chart. Okay, we actually get a sweep or a resweep up here, and it would be even better if we sweeped this high, but let's just see what happens here now. Oh. Why is it doing this? Okay, so let's see if we actually get that. Oh wait, yes, sorry, so we have some of these highs now. Oh shit! Yeah, this is a 5-second model. However, there's no structure. There's a lack of structure. It's not really internal manipulation. Yeah, it's just not coming off of anything, so I wouldn't expect that to hold. So now we're building a bit more structure here. 15 seconds? No. 1 minute. Perhaps. An inch right here. So yeah, this is internal manipulation. We've got SMT at the highs, and we also have this would be the trade. The R sucks, but let's just see. Okay. No trade there. Now we actually do have that. Oh my gosh. We actually do have that model. Or that internal inflation, that high that I was talking about. So we end up resweeping one more time, probably targeting that low now. Probably would prefer that. So let's just see if it plays out or not. Yeah. Wait. I mean. Oh. But yeah, so it's. Oh my god, what the. Okay. So, yeah, it does end up playing out on the 5 second with the 15-minute Cibi. And yeah. Okay, let's journal this. Would this be lack of structure? I'm not sure. No. I think this is borderline fine. Because we do end up finishing that market. I mean, maybe I could expect a resweep of this high, but oh no, this is kind of hard. Oh yes, definitely not. This is definitely valid for sure. So probably going for this right here. So copy this image. Wait. I'm just thinking, I shouldn't even have taken the trade, because wait, no. Kind of broke my rules though. My rules here, because it goes against high time frame order flow. I think having the 5 second chart in the back of my mind is affecting how I view the market, since I wanted it to retrace to the Cibi. However, this breaks the rule where time frame bias should be aligned. So that kind of sucks, but now, but that thing is okay, yeah. I think the 15 second and 5 second stuff like that, I'll probably only use if it's just like the 1 minute doesn't provide an entry, right? Still should have it still should have like alignment to from the higher time frame, because this one, yeah, we had that inefficient, yeah, we had that SMT, but higher time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, all of them was just bearish, including see the 5 minute. Yeah, we had this change in the state, but since we're so bearish, I'd want to see more from this change. So probably shouldn't have taken that. I'll replay it just because it kind of breaks my rules, but I'll mention it in here since it broke my rules. I haven't played it. This is a user error, not a strategy error. So result was an L. Entry tried long. This was a user error. And high time frame bias is bearish. Low time frame confirmation, no. De-risk applied, no. Model location, it was in deep discount. Model, everything. Intro RR was, just gonna play this. 1210. What was it here? So this was 1.59. And for RR was -1. Model time frame, it was a 1 minute entry. Model type was a reversal. Yeah, okay. And we also have a model time frame. 5 second. 5 second entry. Go back over here. 5 second entry here would have been the W. We did have another model in the 1 minute. However, that was an L. But why was it an L? Why wasn't it now? So strange. That's the only reason why I can think of. Just because the market was choppy in that area. However, since we're on the 5 second time frame here, and look how much more efficient this is on the 5 second. So let's see if it ends up going to take profit on ES, because that's probably where I'd take it. Reason being, Reason being, the structure for NQ might be a bit too low quality. So yeah, it does end up getting to take profit, but takes a bit longer than NQ. NQ structure while forming the model was weaker than ES. So just to journal, ES might have been the better play because we actually formed more structure. And this here is your internal manipulation. Here, this area is your structure, as well as all of this as well. And this is your internal manipulation time frame. 15-minute change. 15-minute Sibi. Yeah. Okay, so this would be a no trade day. However, user error made me trade. This also would have been a no trade day. This is no trade, but then user error was W, so yeah. I might make another, yeah, I'm gonna make another one. How do I make one? I forgot. Wow. Here. And we'll do multi-select. If no error. And then we'll put it there. Actually, we'll put it where the W's are. There we go. So we'll do this. View. Oh, this one. There it is. Okay, and now we're gonna go over here. And we're gonna drag this over here. No error. Result without error. Okay. There. Try and make it a bit better to view here. There. Okay. So this would be W, no trade, and those are the only errors I made. So this will be gray, and we're also going to add L here. Make this one red. Okay, so next week. So 30 minutes in and I've only done one? Oh my god. Damn, bruh. Bit slow today. So weekly we have this swing low here on ES, which is already taken out on NQ. We are stronger on ES and we got an NQ obviously. Weekly order block coming off a Sibi, and it looks like the same order block here, but kind of coming off the Sibi, kind of coming off of a claimed gap here. And now we're going lower these lows. So news, we have no news this day, and it's FOMC week. So again, only targeting lowest hanging fruits. After market open. So let's see, 4 hour or daily. Wait, let's go to the daily here. Nothing on the daily. So 4 hour. We've already basically taken that out. Seems, yeah. Literally about to run it right now. For 1 hour. Literally nothing on the 1 hour. We're coming off this Sibi, created in London, and we moved 180 points, about 200 points overnight, 240 points overnight. So gonna be very de-risked here. SMT at these lows now, it seems. I'll play one more candle. Oh my, okay. So 1 hour Sibi, equal lows, so we might actually get a model. There we go. And yeah, this is gonna be my lowest hanging fruit target, not even this. Very de-risked here. 15 minute accumulating, equal lows left. Don't tell me we took it out. Okay, no, we didn't. Okay, so equal lows left there, and EQ in this range, and something for you. So EQ left untouched, and let's go to the 15 now. Just accumulation here. I want to see probably if we can come up to these highs, but close below that Sibi. That would be textbook. We take out these highs, have some sort of model here, and we come for these lows here. So let's see. Let's journal this, and we're good to go. Weekly order blocks. Oh, weekly order block, bearish. Wanna see us drive lower, and then daily. Swept the external sell side. We have SMT at the lows. Possible we go higher, but should follow our time frame company, high time frame overflow. Flower, straight bearish, Straight bearish candles. The flow is bearish. 1 hour, zoom in, and something in here. We have a SIBI. 1 hour SIBIs being rejected off of both NQ and ES. 5 minute, actually close to 15. Minute consolidation. I'm gonna see this be AMD. Very choppy. Just accumulate. Not choppy, just accumulate. And yeah. Let's see if we. Okay. Beautiful. Also, wait. London and Asia move 240 points. So de-risked here. So wanna see this hourly city hold. Okay. Now we have SMT at the lows. We could see a 15-second model. And my FX replay is glitched. Okay. I wouldn't really look at the 5 here. Maybe 30. No. So 15-second would be the best here. However, I just don't like how much follow through we're getting through for that. I'll play one more candle. Okay, yeah, this is definitely off the table now. So I want to see probably one more resweep, and that will be okay. We're gonna have structure there if we do get that, and then now we just dump. Okay. Wow. Wowzers. Wow. So we come into this 15-minute change. We resweep this high. Right here, we get this change in the state. Holy fractality. And probably targeting all the way down here, honestly. So this would be the model. 5-second model presented itself. Oh. What did I just do? There we go. And playing out beautifully so far. Yeah. So we resweep, we build some structure inside this area, and we come AMD to the draw here now. So let's see if we actually dump. Do we actually form the model on ES? Because ES is weaker, to be fair. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. And we do form that model on ES as well, which is beautiful. Yeah, so 5 minute is really good. I mean, shit. Go. Let me see if we form the model first on MQ or ES. Yeah, we form it on MQ. Form the model both on MQ and ES on the 5-second time frame. And I look like we're about to take draw here. There it is. Actually, maybe that. There we go. This takes the draw out first, despite creating the model second. Yes, is weaker. And Q puts in decimal T. So in that sense, probably wanted to trade ES instead of Q. But again, NQ made the model first. Holy 5-second, bro. Alright. I'll just go back to the 1 minute here. And no entries on the 1 minute. Frame. It is No News Monday. So expecting lowest hanging and then top. Lowest hanging fruit was the day low. And let's see if we actually end up taking that on NQ. No. Oh wait. Oh wait. No, this there wouldn't be an entry for me here. Wait, how big is that spacey? That inversion? 1.5 points, yeah. No, there wouldn't be a trade here for me. Let's go wait till the end of the session. And yeah, we actually keep dumping here. Surprisingly. Okay. I mean, fair enough. Ended up dumping a lot more. However, this was my piece of the pie. Targeting lowest hanging fruit. Hanging fruit on No News days. Protects myself from chop. Don't wanna happy with the day. So the 5-second play out, and the model presenting itself. Okay, W. So result, no trade. Result without error, still no trade. Entry direction, short. Errors, no error. But actually, no. We're gonna have to answer that one. Market noise, high time frame bias, bearish, low time frame confirmation. What's the model location? EQ met and premium. De-risk applied, no model. Model time frame, 5-second entry. Model type. This was continuation. Beautiful AMD. And there we go. Yeah. So we're gonna do one more because the video is getting a bit long, 45 minutes. Hope you guys are enjoying the sessions like this. Okay. Hopefully it's just not too long. So weekly, what the? Weekly swing low, daily. Here as well. SMT already, but we've already used that to rebalance. It looked like, yeah, we've already used that to rebalance. So we still could come back into this civvy. It's the 4 hour here. And yeah, we have the swing low here. Not really targeting that much. I wouldn't really go target this. Yeah, I wouldn't target that. 164 points, the swing low. I would target that, that would be fine by me. However, we're not coming off of anything higher time frame, so that is kind of worrying. I don't really like that. We have this 1 hour change, but we also have this 1 hour change, so we do have bearish order flow. This would be some sorts. Actually, no, it wouldn't be reason for both sides. However, 4 hour is kind of weak, so we could just see a retracement and this just be chop to retrace. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So hourly, we have this, and same thing for you. So probably want to trade on ES rather than in Q because we actually do have the CB here, the high time frame PD array. We do have that change, but it's kind of inside this whole price range here, so I don't really like that. This could be a trade right here, so we could see us just dump. Yeah, let me do dump there. This is probably a 5-second entry. So using this 1 minute change, we have our internal manipulation of this high. So we sweep this high, we resweep. Now market opens, we get maybe better on the 15. Is this too ricky? No. We're over here, yeah. Honestly, this is fine. However, again, I won't trade on NQ, I'd rather trade on ES. Don't really like how much follow through we've had here. But yeah, we can count this as a resweep. No entry. I mean pre-market, yeah, but no entry on this, and I don't really want to count this. Let me see. I don't like it. I just don't like it. We have a reclaimed Sibi. I mean, shit, like, this is the model. So I kind of hate that I'm not like recognizing, or not recognizing, but skipping the time frame, skipping time too quickly. So there could be a re-entry, obviously, but 15, 1, 2. I want to skip 3 more minutes. Already dumps hella. What news do we have? PPI. Okay. At 8:30. I'm sure that's 8:30 news. Yeah. Okay. So. Oh, it did nothing. So we could probably see some sort of 15-minute change be tapped into here, and then maybe a lower time frame model. Okay. So let's keep playing. Hopefully we get something. Okay. Beautiful. We get an internal model here. Ooh. Or not. Yeah, I did say again we could chop around here, like after we take this low, because we still can rebalance this inefficiency there. So this could be expected, obviously, but just keep watching. We're inside that 5-minute inefficiency now as well. So yeah, let's just keep playing the chart here. One more resweep. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And this wouldn't. I wouldn't even look at this anymore. So overall, again, there was a 15-second entry. However, would I take that in a real? It would probably low risk. I'd probably take a low risk. This was a continuation trade, and it was on a 15-second entry, on a 15-second, and no error, no trade, no trade. Again, the 1-minute model here. Pre-market wouldn't be taking that, and no model. Through there. On the 1, yeah. So, bro, what I'm getting from this is like, I'm just saying, you know, it's kind of crazy how where'd it go? Did I not journal this day? Oh shit. I didn't journal. Fuck. Okay, we'll just put this in here. 15-second entry. Played out. However, using a city that I'm not quite familiar with, which is the reclaimed Valley Gap. This would have been a great trade if I did use that, if I was comfortable with that. Definitely would have taken TPs, or take profit, or partials here. So, put this there. Oh. This would have been a less than 2-hour trade, which kind of sucks. Obviously, we'll have this running, so I'll have it there. Like that. Runners. SMT. SMT at the highs. Good model. Just in confidence in claimed. Forgot gap. Would have hit BE though. Definitely a partial at a 1 to 1.85. So let's see standard deviation here. So I actually haven't used that in a while. And deviation, -2 was hit. -2 to 2.5 was met. So we'll actually draw that out again. We'll copy that again. And there we go. So overall, I mean, like, these 15-second this 15-second entries are crazy. Wait, did I just? No, okay. Yeah, so these 15-second entry are, they are so common. I've had 3 no trade days where I don't know why that, oh wait, is it? Let me just take a look. So this was on the 5-second, yeah. So I've had 3 no trade days. No trade, no trade, no trade, no trade, no trade. So I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. 1. Oh wait, this is W. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7 days, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-second time frame entries. So overall, this will change like a lot, like my trade frequency and maybe my trading style. But I mean, it's good, bro. Like, time is. I was about to say time is fractal. I don't know why that's in my head. Price is fractal. So either way, this would have been good. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this this series episode. I'm sorry that it's a bit slow. Still trying to get used to everything. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.